Hello, Scorpio, Sun, Moon, and Rising, and welcome to this week's readings with me. If you're new to my channel, I suggest you please do subscribe. This time, I'm just going to do the readings. I'm giving a skip to the guidance part for this week and also most probably the next week also. Alright, so please bear with me. So let's get started for the general readings for the Scorpio, Sun, Moon, and Rising. How does the week begin? Well, my dear Scorpios, the week is beginning with a bit of a turbulent energy. Um, I would say lot of work for you, my dear Scorpios. There is too much to do. Maybe there is a lot of administrative stuff that you will have to handle at the very beginning of the week. There can be a lot of things to be dealt with on an administration level, okay? I would almost like to tell you is that check everything before you sign any important documents, important papers. If you're buying or selling a house, please read the fine lines, read between the lines. In between the lines, I would like to tell you that also, all right, so that it will avoid the further problems. I would also say, my dear Scorpios, is that when you're traveling, carry all your papers well. Even when your car license, your vehicle, two-wheeler license, you have it with you, and have all the papers properly adjusted right now. I was going to say math now, right now. All right, so that you don't get into any kind of legal problems at the end of at the beginning of the week. All right, I'm also seeing, my dear Scorpios, is that there can be an energy of conflict at the beginning. There can be some people who would try to play it a bit nasty with you, or you might get a bit aggressive at the beginning of the week with some people because you might just lose your patience upon them. So weigh the consequences at this point of time, my dear Scorpio, at the beginning of the week, okay? Some of you might have to deal with some legal things that you were already dealing with. Then I am seeing that there will be something related to the lawsuit or the legal case that you're dealing with at the beginning of the week, so that you will also be a bit having a conflicting energy here. There will be some kind of energy wherein people are not on the same page than you. So keep your calm, stay cool, and go ahead, because what's happening in the middle of the week? Well, middle of the week, it is a wonderful energy. This is an energy of harmony. So we are going away from that, that quarrelsome, conflicting energy at the beginning of the week, and now we are entering midweek in the energy of harmony, of serenity. This is an energy of peace. You are feeling blessed. You are feeling nice. Your interpersonal relationships are really, really nice. In the midweek, you might be meeting some people who you feel a lot for, or who who understand you well and who you understand. So this discussion is going to give you discussing with them is going to give you lot and lot of happiness and joy and satisfaction. This is what I'm feeling. I'm also feeling that midweek is the energy of this energy midweek is going to be the energy wherein whatever differences had risen at the beginning of the week, you will just iron them out and maintain the harmony and peace. Money wise, things are looking good. Profession wise also, things are looking really nice. For students also, it's a very wonderful, lovely energy that is playing up with very good interpersonal relationships with your friend circle, and with the people whom you associate with. And also, well-being wise also, you are feeling satisfied. So when we feel satisfied, we feel nice inside of us also. So this is a wonderful, beautiful energy that is playing up for you in the midweek, my dear Scorpios. And then we go to the end of the week, and the end of the week is all about feeling at home. You feel nice. You are feeling that that feeling of being at home, being comfortable, is coming back after a long time in your life, my dear Scorpio. As if there was a struggle and now you feel like, ah, I'm feeling really nice. Some of you are coming back home from a travel, most probably, and you're being satisfied, feeling satisfied, feeling the need to rest also for some of you. For some of you, it means that you will be working from home at the end of this week. And for some of you, I'm seeing that there is going to be a buying or moving to a new place of residence, or maybe you're seeing a house for yourself to buy, or some of you are dealing with the paperworks for the house. Buying and selling of houses very much on card at the end of this week. Some of you might get your loan sanctioned, and then you're going to make your first payment over there for booking your dream house. This is also what I'm seeing, my dear Scorpios. I'm also seeing that you will not feel the need to compete with anyone now at this point of time. You will be more like, oh, I feel really blessed, and I feel nice and comfortable. This is the kind of a very serene, and it's like you just need to imagine yourself in front of a lovely fireplace when it's snowing outside there. It's really cold, and you have this lovely fireplace at home, and you're just around that, you and your family members. You're just sitting and having some nice hot Indian chai with some pakoras, or you're having your hot chocolate with some nice apple tart. And this kind of feeling is the feeling at the end of the week. It's really beautiful, beautiful feeling. And for some of you, you are doing works at home, you're renovating your home, painting your home also, or doing some nice changes around your home. This is also what is seen, while some of you are traveling back to get home from wherever you were before. Maybe you were working somewhere, but now you're traveling to go back home. This is what is seen, my dear Scorpios. So wonderful energy just at the beginning of the week. I would like to say, just be careful there, all right? And enjoy the rest of the week. All right, my dear Scorpios, thank you so much for listening. Please do like, share, and comment. And I shall see you next week. Until then, take good care of yourself. And yes, guidance will come most probably next week, because I'm just taking a short break before the next year. I need to recharge my batteries. I hope you understand. Bye bye. God bless. Bye.